fantastic.
Tuck in, eh?
Right.
You do the job of cutting it. It's actually easier to cut full than
Yeah.
to step, isn't it? How that. This is
Little
very
pieces.
cool spot. Yeah.
That sounds like a lie.
We're like we're getting
It's a
a
black
piano intro to our piano time later.
That's great, isn't it? Really nice wine. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
So what did you do for your... Thank you.
Tender like
Oh, thank you.
this is the original sauerkraut.
Yeah.
We're having it's a gnocchi. Interesting.
Really interesting. It's quite a hefty dish.
Swell.
The hunters,
What are we thinking about
hunters
getting the type?
English hunter's stew.
Are we thinking of getting him the meat one?
pork tenderloin.
We get him.
Is he on his way?
The meat dumpling?
Yeah, two or three. Is he coming or is he?
Well,
So
there's, there's a big one on this big, probably the biggest
Okay.
one.
Yep. Excuse me.
Thank you.
There we are.
They're a big strawberry. It's like a daifuku mochi.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
That is the.
Like a cream.
Look at that. Then it's apple in the middle.
I don't even have in half of this, to be honest.
Well, then go for it. Huh?
It's like a daifuku mochi mama. Look.
Daifukumochi?
Look, strawberry 入ってるよ。
Oh, the whole strawberry.
Love it. I love it's warm, isn't it?
Well, yeah, they don't really know which one.
どうあんの
So fast gone.
Go. そう行かなきゃ。
Is that easy?
We worked out how to get them nice and
You haven't did that mathematics. It's genius. That's the plate. That's amazing. That's great.
I think help yourself. Help yourself.
Try some of the lamb.
有很多啊，不错。
It's walnut. It's a walnut dipped in something. In grape juice.